Happy Tuesday. This is Trisha, Traders Helping Traders. I hope everybody is having a great day. Waiting for the open, getting my chart ready. I'll take you through what I do here in the morning. I'll mark off the high of the prior day. So this was overnight. This was yesterday's close yesterday. Closing candle there. Low, which was right here at open, was our low yesterday. And I go to the higher time frames. Let's see. Scroll out. There's my 1 hour trend line. You can see we've just got a straight shot up here. I'm going to draw a fib this move, and then I'm going to mark the 50%. Okay, so we get a sell-off. I will have an idea of about where it's gonna go. Then I need another fib here on this upward move from yesterday at 7 a.m. Alright, then I'm gonna go to my lower time frame. See if I have a 15-minute trend line. Not really. Oh, we do have on this 2-minute chart. Making lower highs here. And then we've got a little bit of a triangle going on here. Price is in. So I am going to, at open, you can see these moving averages are crossing down under the 200. The 5-minute moving averages are still above, but they're pointing down. 15-minute, they are above, but they're starting to curl here. We'll see what happens. Let me draw my Fab 4 box. Again, the Fab 4, you go back to 830. Okay, I'm gonna draw a box around the price action from 830 all the way to the current price action, which is right down here. All right, and that just happens to grab the 200, the 20, and the 9 with it. This is your Fab 4, and look how it coincides with this triangle. It's pretty cool, huh? So we need to break out below or above the triangle, basically, for the box, with a big igniting bar either way. That's what I will be waiting for at open. Break this yesterday's high, then we will, the next extension here on this fib is all the way up here. However, I will do a fib on this smaller move here. Should go here and here. Let me look at last night's. This is the low overnight here. I'll just mark that. Overnight low. Overnight high. Mark that. Okay, there we go. Okay, so that's what I'm waiting for. Trading, trade sinker accounts. These are the accounts I'm trading, 9 accounts, and I'm going to be executing here. So the demo is the lead account. All these are attached to the demo and will follow in, and I will execute off of the Tradeify software because it's quicker than TradingView. It gets me in and out quicker. It doesn't lag. So I will be executing off of this. I will buy or sell. I will put my contract amount that I'm going to go in with, and then I'll buy or sell from here. But then once my brackets here are on this chart, then I can move my stop losses and my take profits up and down if I use them. You can also see my trades here. All right, I just got 2 minutes. These moving averages are starting to curl up now. On the 2 minute. Look at those big wicks here on the 15. Let's see. I'll bring this over so you guys can see how I get in and out, and then I'll move it off the screen. I'm using 2 screens. It's a nice big red bar there. I'm going down to the overnight low. I'm gonna break out or what? I can see it go up just a little bit. Trying to reject here the overnight low. Might get stopped out here. Okay, stopped out. Got faked out big time there. I should have gotten out here when it hit that overnight low. I should have known it would reject there the first time. Wow, it's just fighting it. Come on, go, go, go. There we go. Go, go, go. All the way down. Okay, I'm gonna take that. Oh, there we go. Let it go up a little bit. Okay. They're not. I hit my daily loss limit on Tradeify eval. These are two Tradeify evals. They have a $1,300 daily loss limit. I hit that. I have to try to get that back tomorrow. And this is what I've got over here on these. So let's see if I can trade those some more. Oh, I know I can only go 2 contracts on these until I hit, I think, $1,500, and then I can scale up to 3 contracts. So I got that notification there. Oh, look, we're filling off big time. Don't do that. Let's see here. Nope, we're not going to do that today. We're going to go down, go back down. Come on, push. This is getting to be ridiculous. Okay, I'm gonna take that. Oh, this thing is pissing me off. There it goes. Of course, of course. Never fails, never fails. Let's see. All right. I don't understand this. Look at that. 1, 2. Don't understand why these aren't syncing. I'm gonna go real quick and look at pull up my accounts separately and see what the heck. Okay. All right, so it's looking like it's just not showing on TradeSyncer, but my funded future networks, I did $200 in, which I only need to flip these until Thursday. One I'll pass tomorrow, and then the other two I'll pass on Thursday. I've already met the goal with regards to the amount that I needed to reach. However, I've got to trade 7 days. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So Thursday on that one. Thursday on that one. And I believe I have one that will pass tomorrow. Yeah, and tomorrow on that one. So I'll flip those another day tomorrow. I don't know why these are not updating on TradeSyncer, but they're not. So let me get out of that. Go back over here so I can leave those off. I don't need to trade those anymore. I'm gonna go check this account real quick and see if it's truly only $122 profit, or if it's just not syncing, or if it's just not showing. Sometimes these columns don't update appropriately, and you have to go and check your real account. So I'm just going to log into Tradeify and check that my funded futures account. I don't know why, but I only got $122 in that account instead of $523. That's weird. So I'm going to turn this one off. And this one, I'll try to get a little bit more in these 4. And get another setup over here. Let me move my fib here. Go up a little bit. If we get, oh, the orb. I forgot to draw the orb box. So the orb started here at 9:30, and this was 9:48. So 9:45 would have been in right here. It literally faked us out here. It's going to go back down there. So this was the top of the orb here. Yeah, we're going to go back down. Look at that. I'm going to try to scalp it down. Come on. Push it down to the low. Come on. Come on. Oh, come on. Go. Push, 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 push. Boom. Let me see. I'm turning this off. Turning that one off. I guess I'm just going to trade this one now. You better go. You better drop it like it's hot. Nope, wrong way. Come on, come on, come on. Ugh, come on. There. Ugh. Okay. I do not like that on Tradeify because I would have gotten this back. That's just their rules. They have a daily loss limit. I'm done. Let me log out of here and see if it will update. I don't know why that's not updating. That bothers me. I don't like that. Let me go to my connections and delete that connection and then reinstall it. Okay, connections. There we go, it updated. Thank you for watching. Please join our Discord if you haven't already. The link will be below in the comments. Please like and subscribe to our channel. It will help us grow. Thanks. See you tomorrow.